Model 2012 Ford Transit T282.2 TDCi camper Euro 5 conversion body, white, panel van mileage, 138,811 engine, 2,198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Driver's side front wheel bearing needs replacing, advise not to drive. Engine, clutch and gearbox are perfect. Put a wheel bearing on this and you will have a very good reliable transit that is halfway to being a nice campervan. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Part camper conversion 90% of the way there. Already has electrics to the rear, diesel night heater, fully insulated features, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.